Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 10, Bun. 658 new stars today. Bun replaces the fragmented JavaScript toolchain with a single fast binary that handles runtime, bundling, testing, and package management. It eliminates the slow startup and memory overhead of Node.js by using Rust and JavaScript core, while remaining a drop-in replacement for most Node.js projects. If you're tired of multi-second installs and slow test runs, a single bun install and bun test can cut those times by an order of magnitude without changing your code. Number 9, Asio. 76 new stars today. Asio is a cross-platform C++ library that provides a consistent asynchronous I/O model, enabling developers to write high-performance network applications without dealing with platform-specific event loops. It implements a proactor pattern and integrates with C++20 coroutines, offering a modern, composable approach to concurrency that scales efficiently. As the foundation of the C++ networking TS, it represents the future of standard networking in C++, making it essential for anyone building portable, low-latency network software. Number 8, Desktop Commander MCP. 909 new stars today. Desktop Commander gives Claude direct access to your local terminal, Theosystem, and running processes through the Model Context Protocol, turning the AI from a conversational assistant into an agent that can actually execute code, edit files, and manage long-running dev servers on your machine. Unlike cloud-only coding assistants, it operates entirely on your local environment without consuming API tokens for file operations, and it handles interactive processes like SSH sessions or database repos that most AI tools cannot touch. If you want an AI that can run your test suite, refactor across your project, or debug a running process without copy-pasting between windows, this is the bridge that makes it possible. Number 7, Plugins. 29 new stars today. This repo gives developers a practical kit of plugin examples that bring real-world tools like Figma, Notion, and native app build pipelines directly into OpenAI Codex, so your AI assistant can operate across design, project management, and deployment without leaving the conversation. It solves the friction of constantly switching between separate services by standardizing how external APIs and local workflows connect to a large language model, turning each plugin into a set of shareable skills, commands, and agents. What makes it technically interesting is the manifest-driven architecture that shows how to extend an LLM's capability boundary with a clean separation of tool definitions, skill logic, and UI surfaces, offering a reusable blueprint for building composable AI-augmented development environments. Number 6. Mesh Optimizer. 110 new stars today. Mesh Optimizer gives rendering developers a suite of algorithms to reorder and simplify triangle meshes so they consume less GPU memory and process faster, directly addressing the bottleneck many real-time 3D applications face when handling complex geometry. It tackles the practical challenge of authoring and delivering optimized mesh assets by automating vertex cache coherence, overdraw reduction, and continuous level of detail generation, tasks that otherwise require costly commercial middleware or fragile manual scripting. Its single-header C library design, widespread language bindings, and the companion GluTF-Pack tool distinguish it from proprietary alternatives by providing production-grade optimization with no runtime fees or license restrictions. Number 5, Terraform. 229 new stars today. Terraform replaces manual, error-prone infrastructure, provisioning, and ad hoc scripts with a single declarative workflow that plans changes before applying them, so you stop breaking production with untested configs. Its graph-based engine resolves dependencies and parallelizes operations across hundreds of providers, making it the standard for teams that need to manage multi-cloud or hybrid environments without learning each platform's proprietary tooling. The core is written in Go and exposes a plugin architecture that lets you extend it with custom providers, which is why it's worth studying even if you're building internal platform tooling rather than consuming it off the shelf. Number 4, Stitch Skills. 340 new stars today. Turning front-end code into design assets and keeping design systems in sync with your codebase is a tedious manual process that slows down development cycles. This library gives coding agents a set of standard composable skills to automate code-to-design conversion, screen generation, and design system management directly from your terminal, works with Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, and others. It's built on the OpenAgent skills spec and the Stitch MCP server, so you can integrate design workflows into any agent without vendor lock-in. Number 3, claude-code-templates. 232 new stars today. Claude Code ships with minimal defaults, so you waste hours manually writing agents, hooks, and MCP integrations before the tool becomes genuinely useful. This repo eliminates that setup overhead by providing a CLI that installs curated, composable components, agents, commands, settings, and external integrations directly into your Claude Code configuration. The companion web dashboard lets you browse and assemble 100+ battle-tested building blocks, turning a raw CLI assistant into a ready-to-use development environment in minutes. Number 2, abseil-cpp, 118 new stars today. Abseil provides a production-hardened set of C++ libraries that fill critical gaps in the standard library, letting you avoid writing and maintaining your own utility code for common tasks like string manipulation, hashing, and synchronization. It solves the problem of relying on the standard library's often underperforming or missing features, such as slow hash tables and lack of scoped cleanup, by offering drop-in replacements that have been proven at Google scale. Its Swiss table-based hash containers, abseil hashmap, delivers significantly better performance than std_map, and the library's modular design with Bazel/QEMU support makes it easy to adopt incrementally without overhauling your build system. Number 1, Catch 2, 113 new stars today. Catch 2 eliminates the boilerplate and rigid structure of traditional C++ test frameworks, letting you write tests as plain Boolean expressions with no naming restrictions. Its section-based nesting lets you share setup and teardown locally without fixture classes, while built-in micro-benchmarking and BDD macros cover performance and behavior-driven development. The v3 rewrite splits the library into multiple headers and a compiled component, offering faster builds and better integration with modern C++ projects.